Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung secure folder guide, and here I'll detail how to hide secure folder in Samsung. So if you already created your secure folder like this and the secure folder is fixable on your Samsung phone home screen and app screen, then you may choose to hide them if it contains your sensitive information so that you can easily unhide them when you want to use the information in the secure folder. So if you're done of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to hide secure folder in Samsung, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, and on settings page, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now once you selected security and privacy, I'm going to scroll down a bit, click on more security settings, then locate secure folder and click on it. Now once you selected secure folder, you'll be prompted to unlock your secure folder using your PIN pattern and password or fingerprint. So in this case, once you unlock your secure folder, locate add secure folder to app screen. If this is enabled, go ahead and disable it. Then choose a folder that says hide secure folder. Secure folder won't appear on your home screen or app screen while hidden. Click on the hide button, voila. Then hang on, the secure folder will disappear. You see that? Then if you search for secure folder here, you discover that the secure folder is no longer available. Then scroll down the control center. Then on this control center, you should see the secure folder here. If you click on it, then you'll be able to have access to the secure folder again. So if you click on it again, go back, then you discover that the secure folder is no longer visible on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is basically how to hide secure folder in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.